Yes. Okay. So yes, welcome back to another live. And yes, for those of you who are joining here for the first time, thank you so much for joining in. And also make sure you subscribe to our channel. And what we do here is we try and analyze the market, right? So we try and analyze what happened in Nifty, Bank Nifty, through option chain, through OI, and also directly by looking at the charts itself, right? So that is something we do here on daily basis every day at 3:45 p.m. So sorry about that. Let me just yes. Okay, good. So yes, I've just muted my phone, but yeah. So what we do here, as I said, was we analyze, right, through option chain, through OI data. We look at the charts, we try and analyze, and we try and come up with a view for the market as well as try and predict it for the next day, right? So yes, welcome to all of you who are new here, and for those of you who have been watching this every day, thank you so much for watching it. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video so that we get in more such videos, right? So yes, I think we should head to Nifty. We saw a crazy expiry, right? So today is one of a very crazy expiry where huge volatility, right? So we saw the market going completely upwards in Nifty. So that is something we expected, right? So I think our analysis, what we are doing from a couple of days, a lot of things have played out today, right? So yes, let me just quickly show you the chart. Perfect. So yes, yesterday, so this should be the opening. Yes, 9:30, 9:15, and yeah. So this was the opening where we saw it open a little low, where it headed lower, and then from almost 9:40 onwards, it completely picked up. Right, this was the exact resistance zone where we did think it would touch this specific zone, and we were cautious about it. Right, so we knew it would go upwards until this specific zone here. For those of you who want to know how we did know that, you can check our previous video, right? And just give me 1 second. Let me just ping this video in the Telegram group as well so that the Stolo community can join as well, right? So give me 1 second. Yes. So yes, we have a support and updates community as well on Stolo. So yeah. Okay, ping that there. And yes, so coming back, right? So what we saw from our previous analysis was this was the specific zone we were worried about. We knew, okay, so the whole thing, at least from the last previous days, something we have noticed is that Bank Nifty and Nifty are not looking to be in the same direction, right? So which is a very different thing to it, where Bank Nifty, we are seeing, at least last 2 3 days, we were seeing it completely sideways and giving a bearish view, whereas Nifty was a very bullish view, right? So and today is what changed it all, basically. So yeah, I'll tell you, coming to Bank Nifty, I'll let you know how we did know through our analysis before that it was bearish after it broke out of the 44,000 level, right? So yes, Nifty again, we knew it would go high up until this level marked here. This was the zone where we did expect a reversal, right? So this is something we got to see, at least in Nifty. And again, this was another zone we have marked on the charts, out of which it could have taken support, right? This is around 18,750 level. So this is where previously it has continuously taken support and not so easily broken out of, right? So this was again, this was towards the end, so didn't matter as much, but this was the specific level we were looking at, where we were supposed to be cautious, right? And that is when exactly the downtrend started as well. That is around 10:30, right? So give me 1 second. Yes. Yeah, so around 10:30 is when the downtrend, and this was a cautious level that we did talk about yesterday as well, right? Ending was around the 18,750 zone, which which again we will see tomorrow if it does take into account. But again, one more thing I am seeing in Nifty is there was a gap up, right, which can be covered in the coming days, right? So this 30-point gap which happened from 12th June to 13th June, right? There was a huge gap up between 12th June and 13th June, which is around 30 points, right? Which was not filled yet. And we almost are right at that specific level, right? So one thing I am expecting is this 30-point gap to be filled by Nifty as well, right? So that is one thing we can see. Again, we'll for next week's expiry view, we will start from tomorrow itself, looking at the option chain and how the OI starts building up, right? So that is one thing. And yeah, so this is one view I have in terms of, okay, this gap up should be filled as it is right there. So if it is a little more bearish, it should be filled, right? So yes, also for those of you who were trading today, let me know if it was a good day, a good green expiry for you, if you caught the huge down moves, or was it a bad day and you're expecting to trade the next expiry much better, or you did not take trades itself, right? So let me know in the comments below on how your expiry went. But yes, coming quickly to Bank Nifty, huge, right? So for us, what we have been seeing, at least, let me just change this into 30 minutes. Yes. So if you look at the longer view, this is exactly our levels, right? So 44,000 and 44,500. These were our two levels. We knew between that Bank Nifty will be continuously playing, right? And the sideways from the last 2-3 days is exactly these levels here, where you for buyers would have been a lot more frustrated, right? Uh, Sorry about that. Yeah, so 44,000 and 44,500 were the two levels we were looking at, and we knew breaking out of 44,000 or breaking out of 44,500 would give us a clear view on where the market would be headed, right? And this was a humongous breakout, right, from 44,000. And also literally Bank Nifty and so Bank Nifty wasn't as bullish as Nifty, right? We saw Nifty at least till 1025 move in a very bullish direction, right? It was breaking highs after highs, but then Bank Nifty was not completely or as high as it as Nifty, right? So you saw the 44,000 level being broken. This would have been your complete sign on the downfall, right? So that is one particular view for us. And yes, let me just I think so the next zone for us here is between 43,450, right? 43,450 and 43,350. So that should be a good support zone for us, where uh, usually market was going up from, right? So we shall see how it turns out there. And almost, I think today was a 500 600 point fall in Bank Nifty, right, which is a humongous fall, at least. And compared to the last 2-3 expiries, I see this one to be a massive expiry, right? So if you did catch the right direction today, it would have been a huge payoff day for you, right? So yes, so that was our analysis for today. Again, we should start next week's expiry from tomorrow. Yes, this was a little more faster live, because an expiry live, and we were more trying to compare it from what we understood yesterday and saw how the markets went today, right? So yes. So thank you so much for watching. And again, this video is completely for educational purposes. We do not provide any calls or tips. And yes, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, before you guys do take any trade, make sure you consult your financial advisor, right? So yes, thank you so much for watching it. And yes, we will. I've told yes too many times, I think, but yeah, we shall catch you tomorrow for another live and a new week's expiry. Until then, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.